Hi everyone, recently we installed a VMware version 10 and the question rises, what is the purpose of using VMware? Is it just to run different OS on the same machine? If it is, why not just do a dual boot system? Questions that we are going to answer on this video. To me, the purpose of VMware is it allows you to take advantage of today's fast hardware and run several servers on one box. Like for instance, operating such like file server, Exchange server, DNS server, DHCP server, some could be Linux, some could be Windows, and others, and more. It is also useful for testing in a development environment. And there are many other uses as well. Take for instance for this one, I remote desktop my computer at work, and this is a remotely controlled servers that I use to access our VMware. You can see we have the domain controller, SQL server, terminal servers, another SQL server, file server, SharePoint, and web server. At least within this one single box, it has 15 operating system running in it. I'm going to close now my connection to my computer. VMware can keep that dusty old business application that needs to run in DOS running on your fancy new PC desktop in XP without dual booting. Going to Windows XP, and I'm running this VMware over Windows 8 Professional. I'm going to close this property, and now I have a program that cannot run Windows 7 nor Windows 8, but inside this Windows 8 has a VMware, and I set up a virtual machine Windows XP to run my favorite virtual hymnal. I'm going to load a music, and I'm going to choose There's Power in the Blood, and in here, there you go, that's the music. Let's see if it plays. And it works so well. So I'll just print this music sheet, and then I can play it in the piano. Well, just for fun, I have a software of Windows 98, and I loaded it in my VMware. There you go. It still works, and it is still fine. There. Welcome to Windows 98. For those who are used of using DOS, this is your operating system. You may love to use them once in a while. Install VMware and find your old operating system like Windows 98 or Windows 95 and enjoy. Well, what can I say? There's nothing like using the modern operating system, Windows 8.1, to go with the trend of technology. Well and good, friends. What can I say? Thank you much for watching.